Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Privyr to Facebook. First, access your Privyr account and locate the integration section. You will see various options there. Next, click on Facebook Lead Ads to begin the setup process. This step initiates the secure link between your two platforms. Finally, you will be prompted to log into your Facebook account to grant Privyr the necessary permissions. This ensures a smooth and authorized connection for lead synchronization. Once connected, you'll need to specify which Facebook pages Privyr should monitor. Carefully select each page that hosts your lead generation campaigns. After choosing your pages, proceed to select the exact Facebook lead ad forms associated with those pages. It's crucial to link all the forms from which you expect to receive leads. This ensures that every new lead generated through your Facebook ads is automatically captured and sent to your Privyr account for immediate follow-up. The next vital step is mapping your form fields. This involves matching the fields from your Facebook lead ad forms, like name and email, to the corresponding fields within Privyr. Double-check this mapping to ensure all critical lead data, such as contact details and specific inquiries, transfers accurately. Finally, send a test lead through one of your Facebook forms. This crucial test confirms that the integration is fully functional and ready to capture real leads. With your integration complete, new Facebook leads will now appear instantly in your Privyr account. This real-time synchronization means you can act quickly. Aim to respond to these new leads within 15 minutes to significantly increase your conversion rates. This seamless connection streamlines your lead management process, reduces manual effort, and ultimately boosts your sales efficiency. You're now set to convert more prospects into valuable customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.